LMS for Sports Coach Certification. Start your career as a certified sports coach. Discover how an LMS for sport coaching certification can help you achieve your coaching goals. Create, manage, and deliver courses seamlessly. Explore the benefits in this video. Importance of sports coach certification. Sports coaching is pivotal for physical education and athletic development. It employs pedagogy, interpersonal skills, and science to enhance athletes' potential, well-being, and performance. Elevate your skills with a sports coaching graduate certificate. Benefits of sports coaching. Athletes gain motivation, self-confidence, and skills while promoting teamwork, sportsmanship, health, and safety in a supportive and enjoyable environment. How to analyze learning performance in sports through LMS. An LMS for coach training tracks your progress, plans learning activities, offers feedback, and showcases your skills with quizzes, assignments, and credentials. Benefits of certified sports coaching LMS. Accreditation. Flexibility. Affordability. Effectiveness. e-KHOOL, Coach LMS for online certification. Diverse sports courses, engaging content and interactive tools. Elevate skills with coach certification programs. Enjoy live sessions, gamification, analytics, and mobile access. Begin your path as a certified sports coach. Explore LMS for sports coach certification insights in our e-KHOOL website's blog. Unleash your coaching potential, elevate with sports coach certification via our LMS.